So don't mind me, I look like complete garbage. I've been cleaning all day. We did a bunch of painting this weekend. I will be 35 weeks tomorrow, so this update's a little late. We have been really busy and I've just been completely drained to do anything besides the necessities. For those of you who don't know, my name is Kyla. I am almost 35 weeks right now, but this will be my 33-week update. I have a 1-year-old, I'm engaged, and I live in Ontario. So I figured we'd add some things into this just because I don't have much to update. So we're gonna do my birthing center bag. I am giving birth at my midwife's birthing center. I'm doing a water birth and I'll only be there for 2 hours after giving birth. Don't mind if I'm looking down. I have a book here just so that way I can make sure I get everything that I want to say. So for my symptoms, we'll start there. 33 weeks, I had some really sore nipples, and my boobs also felt pretty full and they were leaking a little bit. I go through phases of leaking, like it's not consistent, but like every so often I'll start leaking. I also had some loose stool, which really worried me because they say that loose stool happens like the week before you go into labor from, it's like your body's producing a hormone just to clear everything out, loosen everything up down there. So I was really worried about that, but that's gone away thankfully. But I had it for like 3 days, which isn't common for me at all. And then I had an urge to shower. Like I was showering 3 times a day. I don't know if that's like part of nesting or what that is, but I was showering a lot. And I had some increased fluid down in that area. They also say that that happens as you get closer to birth, so hopefully she comes at 37 weeks. My body is so over being pregnant. We did have a midwife appointment, so at the midwife appointment we did determine that the baby's heart rate is good, my heart rate is good, my blood pressure is good. I did gain another pound, so throughout the entire pregnancy I have gained 30 pounds so far, so absolutely nothing fits me. And I did refuse the eye drops at birth, so I don't know about other places, but I know here in Ontario it's standard to give baby eye drops as soon as they're born, which protects them against an infection that you get if the mom has gonorrhea. So they just give it to the baby. It's standard practice. I did refuse it. I signed a medical refusal. I signed a form to refuse it. Just because we know that I don't have gonorrhea, so there's no point of giving those to the baby. And then some life updates. There wasn't really much that happened at 33 weeks. I did start an online course to be a veterinary office assistant at a local college, so I've been doing that lately. It's been going pretty good. I'm already pretty much halfway through the course. I'm trying to get as much done as I can before the baby comes. And then I was asked a question on one of my previous videos, so my favorite month of pregnancy. Now, I don't know the exact month that this is. I'm going to say like 4 or 5 months, but like basically 20 to 24 weeks, because at that point you're not too big. Like your belly is still, you're getting a pregnancy belly, but it's not so big to the point where you're uncomfortable. And you start feeling baby's movements at this time, so that's always really nice. And I feel like at least this time around my symptoms completely died down. So it was just it was a time that I could really enjoy. That's basically all the updates. I told you there wasn't very much, so we'll get on to the hospital bag. So like I said, I am giving birth at a birthing center, a water birth, and it's 2 hours after the baby's born I will be able to leave. So first we'll start with the baby's bag. So I just have this diaper bag here. I'm not sure what brand it is. I had this bag with Mikaela. I believe we just got it from like Walmart or something. It doesn't have a brand. So we'll start in these 2 front pockets. So in this one here, we have this cute little hat. It will be, I am due October 31st. I'm not sure if I said that, so it will be a little bit colder. I have some nipple shields in here. And some linoleum cream. I will be breastfeeding. I think I might put these in my breastfeeding bag, so I'm just going to put these to the side for now. And then in the second pocket we have some Vaseline. I have the Live Baby Vaseline. I do have some poop bags, some doggy poop bags. We use these with Mikaela. We put dirty diapers and stuff in there to throw out, or whatever we had to do if we were in the car, we'd put it back in the diaper bag, but we'd have this to put it in, and they are scented. And then we also have some lotion. I don't plan on using this right away, but good to have in there. This is just a sampler of the Elva Naturals Daily Moisturizer. I got this in a Toys R Us gift registry bag. I'm not sure if they sell them in that size. And then in this side pocket here, we have this Nook Soother. I don't plan on using a Soother, but we have it just in case. At the back of the bag here, we just have a changing pad. It's what came with the diaper bag. And on the inside here, there's these two pockets, so we'll start with those. So with the first pocket, I just have a bunch of newborn diapers. And then in the other pocket, we have some little mittens. And then I have some more of the Elva Naturals Bamboo Baby Wipes. And a package of the Pampers Sensitive Wipes. Not sure why I have two in there. We're gonna keep it. And there's just a little zipper pocket in here. I don't know if you can see that. And in here I have some stuff for pictures. I'm not sure exactly what I'm using yet, but we have these two teethers, which I got made locally by a girl with this Soother strap. Again, made locally, all by the same girl. I'll put her information down below. I do believe she ships items, so that will be there. In the main compartment, I have these two swaddles. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use for pictures, so I have two of them there. And then we have this fuzzy blanket. This will be for her car seat. It's just a pink fuzzy blanket. My sister actually got this for her. It was the first thing that was ever bought for her. For clothes, we have two different outfits, one for just in case, basically. So we have this cute little outfit. It just has some suns on it. And then this will be her going home outfit. So it's just this long sleeve. I had this made, again, customized by a girl locally, a different girl than before. So it says, handpicked for Earth by my sibling in heaven. I did have a miscarriage in 2016. So I have matching ones for Mikaela and the babies. They're both gonna wear them when they meet. And then this will be what's on the outside. So it's this cute little button-up shirt and these cute ribbed pants. I still can't get over how small all of this is. So we'll move on to the breastfeeding bag. So this is the bag that I have here. I know a lot of my viewers are from the United States and other countries, but here in Canada, or at least in Ontario, we don't have insurance to cover a breast pump, so I did have to get this off of a free site. So this is the breast pump right here, and then you hook up all of your contraptions to this. And this is the charging adapter here. There's also a car adapter that it comes with, which is really nice. And then in the side pocket here, I did put the stuff that we just took out of the diaper bag in, so you guys know what that is. And then this side pocket here, I have a few storage bags. These are just the Nano Baby storage bags, which is the same as the bottles that we have. These are the extra thick ones. And markers, that way I can write down the time that I took them, which I'm not completely sure if we're gonna need that, but they say to bring it, so I'm going to do that. In the big compartment here, there is this spot right here, which is where the breast pump is, so you can't really put anything in that spot. But then we also have the tubing and the bottles all ready to go. I have these two caps to put on top of the bottles to save the breast milk in it if I need to. And then it also comes with this little cooler box. So I am going to get an ice pack and put the ice pack in here when it's time to go. And there's nothing in here right now. I just went over everything that's in my bag and I didn't record it, so we'll do this again. So this is the bag that I have all of my stuff in. This is actually a diaper bag. We got it when Mikaela was a few months older and the other bag just wasn't ideal anymore. So in this front pocket here, I have a hair elastic and a scrunchie to put my hair up while I'm in labor, and a hairbrush for afterwards so I can make myself look half decent. In this little side pocket here, I have a birth stat card. So it just says hello world, and we'll put in all of baby's stats and her name, and I have a marker to go with it so we can fill it all out. In this side pocket, I have these cue cards. So this one here is just ways that Riley can help me, and then I have some birth affirmations. And then in the big compartment, there is a pocket in the front. So in that, I have this folder here, and it just has my registration forms for the hospital in case we need to be transferred there, and my birth plan, which I will be putting into another video, probably my 34-week update video. And I also have these diapers. I did like diapers so much more than pads after I gave birth to Mikaela, so I did pick these up again. It has 2 back pockets, smaller ones. In the one I don't have anything, but in the other I just have a couple pads and some underwear. And then I did pack this a water bottle. It has the straw to it for when I'm in labor. And I have this nursing shirt. It's just a spaghetti strap, but it'll be nice to wear on the way home. And then I'm also getting, I don't have this yet, I have ordered it, I'm waiting for it, but it's just this crew neck sweater. It's a Halloween Town University sweater, but I will be wearing that on the way home as well. I have these 2 nursing bras, so for one when I'm in the pool, and then one to wear on the way home. And I have these comfy pants. I believe these are Nike pants, but they will just be nice so I can be comfortable and not have to worry about anything on the way home. And the few things that I don't have yet are going to be some fuzzy socks, so that way I can wear those around the birthing center. A face cloth, because I did like having coldness on my face, so I'm going to get Riley to fill up the face cloth with a bunch of cold water so I can put that on my face while I'm in labor. And then I also want to get a travel-sized shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, just so that way I can shower afterwards. I'm not too sure if that's something that you do at the birthing center, but it'll be nice to have just in case I have that option. I'm also getting a heating pad to put in there, just that way, because I know I'm going to have a back labor this time. Like, I can feel it. I know I'm going to. So it'll be nice to just relieve some pressure from my back. And then I'm also getting combs. So I've seen if you put combs in your hands and squeeze them while you're having contraction, it helps, I guess. So I will be getting those too. But that is everything that we have. Everything is packed up and in the bassinet that we have out in the living room, so that way we can just grab and go once I do go into labor. But yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stick around for my 34-week update. We will also be doing a vlog of the birth, so subscribe if you want to see that.